He would have dropped his sanding block and he would have been gone. There's the sailboat. They're all little tag in front of it.
There's a lot of sailboats out there. We're in the big ocean now. Mobile Bay. Wow, look at all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now a lot of birds. I think we have fish. Sorry, birds, we don't have no fish. Well, we could get into sailboat racing, Richard. Yeah, right. We just got to hire a couple guys to put the sails up for us. He's going to cut right in front of that ram. Oh boy, you better leave.
He's got 130% jib out.
Where's this one? Oh, yeah. They're not using any gas. We're using diesel. Hey Steve, you're right. We're right in the middle of them.
Yeah.
I hope they're not pissed or anything. Oh, they are.
Oh, yeah. That's the fun.
Yeah, they probably. You guys get the hell out of here. We're sailboat racing.
Yeah, they don't do all the fancy shit on it. They're probably down to 4%.
Oh, let's see.